She's a Mona Lisa.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and today's video is going to be on the Instagram model look. You know the look, wet hair up in a towel, full brows, glossy lips, and fluttery lashes. I also partnered up with VDL for their new foundation, so if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. For eye makeup, we're gonna keep it super simple. It doesn't look like Instagram models usually wear any eyeshadow, but I wanted to add a little sparkle, so I'm using a liquid eyeshadow. This is also a really nice alternative to gloss when you want that wet eye look. I'm gonna line my lash line with a soft brown shade and then blend upwards for more dimension. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly. Next, I'm lining my waterline with a darker brown liner. She hides under her disguise. I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply mascara. Moving on to the face, I'm actually gonna skip primer today because I'm using the new VDL Perfect Lasting Foundation, which is a primer and foundation in one. I love this foundation. I honestly think I could wear it every day. It has a really natural matte finish that looks like skin. Once you get to meet her, she's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. The foundation is also buildable, so I'm going to apply an extra pump on some of my problem areas. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time. I do have a discount code Jessica20 if you want to try the foundation for 20% off, which I will leave with a link in the description box below. Next, I'm gonna contour. My cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can match that Louis V scarf or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa. Slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something better. And then I'm gonna bronze up my face. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. Next, I'm gonna do my lower lashes. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. I was gonna do a natural look without falsies, but Instagram models always have eyelash extensions, so I'm gonna apply these super wispy, fluttery lashes. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. Next, I'm gonna highlight my nose. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. For lips, I'm gonna slightly overline with a nude lip pencil. We're gonna go for a nude glossy lip today. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper. I'm also going to be adding freckles to make the base look even more natural. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year. Who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can match that Louis V scarf or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa. Slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. And this is the completed look. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to VDL for partnering up with me for this video. Remember to check the description box for more information on the foundation, as well as all of the products used. Hope you're all having an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video.
She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.